Woohoo! Hey, welcome to the blog, Coffee Cozy Up. And it's been a long day. Just had a little malfunction with my shoes, but we are heading to see Don Ross tonight. And this should be fun, another one off the bucket list. And I'm taking my brother with me. What's up? So stay tuned. So we are sitting here waiting. We're early. It's a sold out concert, so we know it's gonna get packed in a minute, but we're in about that line. But look at my brother, looking sharp. He got hit on today.
Oh, no. I didn't like that though.
He sure didn't like it. But that. And then on the train, what that lady did?
She put her butt on me.
I mean, this big lady just came on and was like,
She didn't care. That's an old woman status right there. She was like, man, I'm gonna put my butt on this little man.
yeah. So he's not having a good night yet. But I'm gonna feed him later. I'm gonna give him some, what is it, Chinese?
That noodle place.
Yeah, it looks good. The people were outside eating and we were like, yeah, we gotta hit that spot out. So don't mind us if we're not looking right because it's
we
the
don't know
new
where the
phone.
camera's at.
And I'm using my phone because, you know, they're kind of funny about the camera in here. And we don't know where we're supposed to look at. We don't know the viewfinder is. Like, so
Yeah.
I think it's, yeah. So let's see. But all I know is the quality of this is really good.
Like,
Like,
we're trying to see ourselves and look at the camera at the same time.
it's a little weird, but the thing is, the quality of this is good. This is the Samsung Galaxy 8 that just came out, and it's good. The camera is good. Takes nice pictures. So anyway, enjoy the show. Whatever little bits I can show y'all, and that's it.
Baby,
finished the concert, and
Yeah.
it was amazing.
Boss.
And look at him looking at these older
It's a
women up
bunch
in the
of
crowd.
fire older women out here. Like they was bad when they was like 20-something, 30. They used to be fire back then. They still fire.
But it was a sold out show, and she was amazing, fabulous. She changed like what 5 times,
Yeah, at least
and the outfits was like
everything was glistening.
less. She knew how to. It's a little bit dark. Hopefully you can see us, but
Popping in for a bird.
we're hungry. We're trying to find something.
The food fire.
I am not making it over here. We are not trying.
No?
No. He's trying to see. This is what they do in New York, jaywalk. Like I'm trying to die out here now.
We got it, all right?
No, you
You
don't.
cross the road in New York. When it's blinking, when it's 2 seconds, you really got like 7 seconds.
So I'm gonna run across the street in 2 seconds, right? And I got heels on. Yeah, okay. What to do on a Friday night? I'm hungry though. What we gonna eat though?
Let's check that Asian spot.
Oh yeah, but is it still open?
Yeah.
Oh Lord, look at you having me running across the street.
We New York. Gotta do it.
No, though. What you getting? I got you.
I don't know. Can't make one
So I'm hungry as hell, and I have to wait on him. My food Oh my god, I'm tired, guys. We're gonna extend this vlog. Let's see.
Let me get the
What are you gonna try?
let me get the spicy chicken salsa. Let me get 2.
So that's what we got. Some kind of spicy chicken. What's yours? The same? Spicy chicken? Yum, yum, yum. Now we can truly say we're done. Belly full. We had a good night. And thanks for watching. I'm tired. So go ahead and hit that subscribe, like, comment, share, all that good stuff. And have a good day, night, wherever you're watching this. We out. Bye.